Hello, it's Clorinda here, HubSpot strategist at BBD Boom, and I come back with another update for you. So it's actually only early in December, but there are a ton of product updates to share already, and I already have my favorites. So let's go. Today, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the reusable action sets. So let me just actually read the description. It's called Save and Reuse Groups of Workflow Actions with Action Sets. Basically, what this means is you can save snippets of a workflow to be reused on another workflow, which prevents you from having to rebuild anything over and over again. So I've got this example up here to show you how that can be used. Ignore what's in the workflow, that's not relevant. But what you can actually do is if I click on the plus button in the actions and move my face away, there is now this new action sets option, which you can see will populate with all the ones that you've built. Now, I've only built one as a test. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. Now, in this example, I've said that this action set should allow you to resend an email with a new subject line if there is a no open contact. So, right, let me just go ahead and create an action set and just kind of redo that again and show you how it works. So first of all, you give it a name. I'm going to call it Open Branches. And then start from scratch. Right, so you can see it looks like it's part of a workflow already, but it doesn't have a trigger. I'm going to go ahead and do a branch, and I'm going to do it based on a filtered criteria for now. So I'm going to call the first one no open, and the none met, I'm going to call it open. And we're going to go ahead and save that. Now I'm going to go back in and add a filtered criteria. And in this case, I'm just going to use an example marketing email as an example. So let's use this insurance expiry one. And in this case, I'm going to say contact. Did I miss it? Was delivered but did not open. So that's a no open. So the second branch, actually, let me change this to open, and I'm going to go none met on the last branch. So I'm going to add a branch here and say marketing email, the same one, and then contact opened email. Save. Right, so what's happened now is I've created this action set that I can repeat, and all I need to do really, if I'm done, I can just update the email for the new action set. But what I can do now is set it up so that it sends a new email here, which you can add in afterwards. Doesn't have to be added straight away. Do the same one in this case, send an email, save, and then I'm going to save and exit. Cool. Now, if I go back and just refresh this page, you might not even need a refresh, but if I click on the action sets drop down, you can see it's now created this new action set for me, which I can access at any other workflow and just pull that in. So let's say I want to add it in here. I can say create action set, and I'm going to go ahead and click this one and then save. As you can see, it's built this whole branch for me. So super cool feature. Yeah, if you have workflows with really complex branches that you're reusing over and over again, things like contact owner assignment is probably a huge one. Test this out. Let me know what you think. Cheers.